Had the Confederate States of America secured its independence in 1865, the South would today stand as a sovereign republic, fiercely guarding its borders, its heritage, and the traditional Christian family values that once defined Dixie. A victorious Confederacy would never have tolerated the deliberate, destructive demographic replacement orchestrated by open-border leftist bureaucrats in Washington, D.C. A sovereign Confederacy, fiercely protective of its borders and heritage, would almost certainly have rejected importing millions of Third World migrants with little allegiance to America's founding father ideals, many openly hostile to Western civilization, flooding once safe towns, driving violent crime to levels unknown in the Old South, overburdening hospitals, lowering educational standards, and eroding the very cultural cohesion the Confederacy bled to preserve. Instead of watching its culture mocked, its churches desecrated, its monuments toppled, its debt unsustainable, and its children taught self-loathing, an independent South would have maintained a high-trust, prosperous, safe, homogeneous society rooted in faith, kinship, and ordered liberty, proving that a nation true to its heritage, people, and its God is infinitely better than a sprawling empire that sacrifices everything sacred on the altar of globalist ideology.